hello again, all you internet peoples. I'm playing this librarian game again today. So let's just get into it. As a reminder, I'm trying to do a no major magic run. And I probably remember absolutely nothing about the last time that I did this. So, yeah. I think I was picking up books, that's right, from the shelves. And I can jump, I remember that one. This one was warrior-ish? Something like that. So, we shall see how far I get. Looks like I have a couple of books already set up. We'll see how this all goes. While I'm kind of getting reacquainted, I just want to say thank you to all of the people who have watched my first little video on Twitch. Was not expecting more than like 1 or 2 people, so thank you to all. And also a big shout out to my first subscriber on YouTube, where I also upload things. It's one of my coworkers, so yeah, anyway, I'll just start picking up all of these. I also seem to remember that I had a pile of books on near that, this one's the romance one or something, near the, what am I thinking, the staircase of books that I don't even know what they go to, so that'll be a fun one to try and figure out. I figure that I will probably just like leave those to last and then be like, what don't I have things on? Books on what shelves still are missing some books. Okay, looks like I got all of the books, random books from the shelves upstairs, so let me pick up all these ones. Okay, The Genesis of Magic. That one, I feel like could be like, there was history, right? I feel like that could be a history book. That's where I would put it, at least. That doesn't mean a whole lot, though, as we have learned. And that would be on the second floor to end. We can give it a shot, see if that works out. Beautimus. Illusionary art. Now, I seem to remember there was illusion magic. Illusion Wait, it said 5 senses, right? There was a 5 senses one there. There's a, nope, that's not what I meant to do. What was there we go. Mental differences, no. So, it is a 5 senses book, but not that 5 senses book. 10, 9, 8, 7. Beautiful. The Dark Berserker. I think that was another warrior one, so that one I can probably jump. I seem to remember that being over here. Let's see if I have that one. I do! So let's, I don't know if you remember last time, 10, 9, 8. I kind of was trying to use, this is the romance novel, I was trying to use the books I had already put up as kind of like a guide, so I didn't have to keep counting from each end. And that seems to be working not too badly. They call in a dark energy. Interesting. Maybe curses try curses and destruction first. Let's see, I don't think there's not too much. Right there. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So no. And then what was the other one? I thought it might be destruction, which was closer towards the end. 1M. Jump. Looks like I already have some stuff up there. Something about shadow. Wait, what? Oh no, it's not that one then, because those are those other ones. They call their mana dark energy. I guess I could look on the other side, see what's in there. Because destruction magic, those ones are those ones that are like mastering the elements and like stuff like that. Could it be another history book? Let's try history. You know what would be smart is if I took like a picture of those and then I didn't have to keep going back. But who knows? Who knows? No, that not that one. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. They call their mana dark energy. It'd be. I don't think it'd be management, but I feel like there's a lot of stuff that I'm like, that's not management, and then it's like, no, that's management. I'm like, cool. This is why I'm not a manager. Is it this one? Yes. Yes. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try necromancy and then this one, yes. And then if it's not that, then it gets put in the pile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Okay. To the pile you go. Mostly because I don't want to deal with that right now. Which I feel like is a lot of my stuff. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Ah! There we go. The psychology of prioritizing. I have a sneaking suspicion that that is a psychology book. 2 eyes. That's kind of in that same spot. That would make sense, wouldn't it? If all of the letters were in the same spot from floor to floor. To do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this one is the psychology of prioritizing. No, so it's not that one. Beautiful. Oh, another illusion, so I can just hop right back down and go right here. Right? Because this one was illusions. That's the jurisprudence that I couldn't figure out last time, which is this one, correct? Yes, because it's a law. What's that one? Foundations of something. Nope, not that one. Contract law, civil law, property disputation. Should we try right here on this one? Beautiful. That one goes for archery, which is over on this other side. I remember that because for some reason they are different than just the weapons. The Book of Archery. Management. Hey, look, another management book. That one goes. That one math. That one's math. Oh yeah, because that one's the 2D. Haha, I thought that was funny. Oh, that one is Bards. So Bards and music. Where was management? Was this not? Was this management? No, that's social. Oh no, that one's not Bards. I don't know what I'm doing. It's fine. Magical supply. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Licensing. Okay. Let's just try it over here. 1. No, let's go back. It's 10. 8, 7, 6. Oh, and then I have no more, so I can go back down and grab some more books from the shelves. That's all of them for this shelf. I think I cleared this shelf off. Should have been doing this from the start. I know I kind of did. Should have been doing it from the start. Do I have room for one more? I do not. Rude. Theory of chanting. Would this one be a summoning one, perhaps? Let's try it. Summoning one from J. So I think this one could either be the Monsterology one, which I feel like is the most likely. I forgot that I have this initial. Beautiful. I was gonna say, or it could be like psychology or something. I feel like this one is either the jurisprudence one, which is that one. Oh, that one's psychology. Or this one could be like management. I feel like both are valid options. So next we'll go to the Stop running into things. I wish I could stop running into things. That'd be helpful, wouldn't it? Oh my gosh, I ran into so many things at work the other day. Was that just yesterday? Oh my goodness. I feel like I lose days. Oh, or maybe it's not. Ethics of magic, responsibility and restraint. I think I have another one of these where I'm just like, I do not know. Maybe this one could be like philosophy. 2J, so that's around the 7. Oh no, back further. I think I could alphabet, but no, I can't alphabet. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, but it looks like maybe that's correct. That's just a hunch. Beyond irregularity. So it's a number 1, so it could either be there. Nope, it's a 3-volume one. Okay. Dungeon Tactics. Dungeons was back here. Something about cooking in dungeons, I believe, was the one that I remember putting up there. That one? Yes, it was. Oh. Ninja? I feel like that one could be warrior or stealth. I'm gonna maybe actually go warrior on this one. Start with warrior. Nope, that's not what I want. Nope. The next one is stealth then. Stealth, those are just 1H. H's were over here. F, H, right there. Yes. Okay. Do I think it's a 2? Is it a 3-volume? That would make sense. Yeah. This one is one of those destruction ones. 10, 9, 8. I think I said last time, but someone did. This one's a divination one. These ones were divination. These ones were summoning. No, divination was like 1B. Someone did like where they like put all of those in like the very correct like order or something. Like they made it all look nice, and I don't think I'm gonna do that this time, but. Actually, I feel like right now would be the perfect time because I'm gonna maybe try and see if I can do the like under 3 hours one. For those who don't remember, I'm going to be doing the whole like 100%ing. So like the first one I'm doing is no major magic, which I hope was the correct. I hope it was just major magic and no magic because I can't imagine doing this without jumping. We'll see. Sorry if I'm giving anyone like motion sickness or anything. So like I think there's one for like I feel like most of them I can just get like going through like a regular playthrough. And not that I don't like this game enough to play it multiple times. I definitely am going to play it multiple times. And who knows? Maybe someday I'll like it so much that I'll just be like, I need to turn my brain off. And so I'm going to play this game. I think I've gotten all of the books off the shelves that aren't meant to go there. So now I can start doing this ginormous pile that I moved so that I can move my other weird little explored my games. I play a lot of Lego games, and literally I usually play them with my dad, and then we call ourselves pirates, like, no matter what we're playing, because we, like, I need to pick up every single one of these stud coin things, you know? So, we do that a lot, for sure. Nope, philosophy is on the other side. Philosophy 2J. You'd think I would remember these after playing this for almost like 2 hours the other day, but I don't. I remember nothing. Half the time I can't remember what I have for breakfast, and it's usually not anything, so yeah. Where did 2J go? Is it on the other side? Do I not know my alphabet? No, I don't. That's the wrong question to ask, Fox. 2J right there. Yes, this I also like to remind everyone that I am originally a console player, so I'm not the best at playing on the computer, PC. So please forgive all blinkerings because I will have many. I think that's correct. Book of Alchemy, Homunculus. Oh, yes. I learned about that in school. They were weird little people doing things. I feel like I don't have this one because I probably would have already made that comment. And I don't remember making that comment. Not that that means that I didn't make that comment. Just, was this another philosophy one? I said 2J right, and that was over on this side. Oh, curses. Where were curses? Where are they? Lindsay? It's just right up here. Research. Okay, so now this I will say, I believe this is going a lot quicker than first session. Just like this one kind of sounds like it could be math, or it could be art, but art came up first. Now where are my philosophy books? Are these ones philosophy? No, those ones are psychology, philosophy is 2J. So that's kind of how I felt about that one. It would help if I was looking straight on at it, wouldn't it? Was that... I like how I put it there, and then I don't even sit there to, like, watch it. I turn away, like, physically. Origins of Magic. That one should be a history one? Which was back here, if I'm remembering correctly. Is it 2 ends? Is that the history one? Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Oh, look, I'm done. Let's go back to that pile. I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna do like piles and sections because then Interesting metamorphosis then. So I feel like that one's transfiguration, perhaps? Just one at. I don't know. Anyway. Maybe? Maybe it's this one? No, let's see. Ooh, rituals of calling. That one's necromancy. Anyway, I remember I was talking about something about being able to see progress, but other than that, I don't remember what I was talking about. Which will happen a lot, so sorry if you guys like me to talk about the same things, because I'm not good at remembering. 1, 2, 3, 4. A people enchanted by glowing slabs. How interesting. I wonder if that's a history? Perhaps? Which was up here, all the way over to this side. No, not that one. That one's dungeons. Dungeons. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it's over here. No. Oh, that was language. I'm silly. Haha. Don't mind me thinking I remember things and then I don't. So I think this one's summoning, which was down here. And then, if it's not, then it's the jurisprudence. No, that means that there's already one up there, right? Isn't that? Yep, right there. There we go. Perfect lines and circles, the secret. Oh, that one is art, which I think I saw here near the desk. Someone drawing perfect circles. Mostly because my uncle's cat is adorable. Same with like kids. Like if you're letting your kid run around wild, and, like, not that I like hate your kid, I don't want to spend time with your kid. Counter curse, that's curses, which is C. Anyway, weird tangent over. Apocalypse. Oh, did I decide that this one? This one? Yeah. Nope. Wait, what? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh my goodness, cords, get out of my way. Behind me as I'm moving things around my desk. Again, I did that thing where I put it down and then I didn't see the gold. And not that that means how to commute with magic. That one, is there like a transportation? Anyway, and not that I like have to see it, especially with that where I kind of knew it. It's nice to have the, like, is this one another summoning? Perhaps. It's nice to have like the confirmation. Back to the summoning. Maybe it's not summoning. That doesn't really make sense, but things have made less sense to me in this game. Maybe this one's like the daily magic thing. That actually makes more sense. So this is why I talk it out, because otherwise, I don't know what I'm talking about. And even then. Oh, no. How to commute with magic. I do not know. I am unsure. Maybe enchanting? I don't know. Wait, what was enchanting? Sorry, I took a drink and then I looked away. So I don't even know. 1G. 1, 2. I'm gonna try one more, and then I'm going to the travels, perhaps the travels of Otherworld. No, maybe I'll give it a try. After that, though, it's gonna go in the pile. Watch it, guys. That pile by the end of this is just gonna be so huge. Nope. Okay. I kind of wish there wasn't a chandelier right there. where I wanted to jump. Yeah, I'm walking on the railing. Yeah, I'm walking on a whole bunch of books. I feel like this would be more destructive to the books. As a person who doesn't enjoy books. Philosophy of self and other. Yeah, was that's why it's a drawing, so art. I think it was over on this side. Yes. Drawing moving characters would be so difficult, but that's mostly because 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, excuse me. But that's because I think that drawing straight lines and circles are difficult, so. Just not a spatially aware person. I figured that out when I was in geometry, and I was like, I have no idea what any of this means. But you did great geometry was probably one of my least favorite maths to learn about. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Not that like trig was fun or anything either, but when I was in geometry, they like did like a whole like month of trig or something, and that was all the trig I needed. I didn't need any trig in like college or anything, which was very nice because then I didn't have to take trig in college. Technique to turn wandering ghosts into servants. Is this a necromancy one, or is this a... No, this was probably enchanting. Or summoning. Try summoning first. That makes more sense. Maybe it makes more sense. It probably actually doesn't, but I'm gonna pretend like it makes more sense to me. Now we're in necromancy, which yeah, it was. So physiology makes me think of like people or like animals or something. So like that's why I did the monsters first. Maybe I don't know. Alchemy also kind of sounds like a this one might just be another one that just goes in the pile. Because I might as well check. Like, I just really have no idea what that is. So maybe I'll look it up after stream or something. Who knows? Not me, that too. Dungeons. I know where dungeons go. Dungeon books. Here I come. Should we see if this is a 1.5? Or is it a... Or is it one of the 10 volume series? Nope, it's one of the 10 volume. No, that's good. That's probably like number 3 because I'm not looking at it straight on. There we go. How to change drawn art into reality. That's over here. Book of spells. That one's down here. I think it's interesting that like a lot of this is like that's not what I was doing. Management. I'm just gonna put it away anyway because I already know where management goes. I think it's really interesting. I don't remember what I was saying. Oh, yes. That all of that down there, I think was called like destruction magic, but it was like the creation of force. And I was like, I feel like that's the opposite of destruction. I don't know. This is why I don't make games, because I make a lot of weird like questions like that. Should we see if that's a 3? Oh, it is. Books of alchemy. I wonder where you go. Perhaps in the alchemy section. Dun, dun, dun. Crazy. The counter curse. That one. Is that one C? Is it C for curses? Is that spinny? So that bites back. Yes, that one. 5, 4, 3. Illusions. That one's I. H-I. Ah. Sovereignty over 5 senses. That one's not that one. That one's not that one. There's one here. I was gonna say, I know there's a couple about 5 senses right there. Which I probably should have put them together in hindsight. But I didn't want to, so I didn't. See, look, this pile is getting smaller, and I feel like that is much more like rewarding to me personally than like seeing like everything become bigger, you know? That's kind of like how I clean my room. Is like I say, clean up this one like and then everything goes in the correct corner, and then once I'm done with like that corner, I can go into a different corner. This one goes over here. And then put all those things away and that kind of stuff. Chronicle of the World Music of Magic. So I want to say this one's like the Bard one. Just here, correct? We'll see. Yes. And this one is drying, which I don't remember what one it is, but it is this one. Yes. 2 E. Yes, this one. I was gonna say, I thought I had already put something up there. 9, 8, 6. Divine Dragon summoning. So this is another one that I feel like could be summoning or like the monster one. So I'm gonna try this one first. Wonderful. Archery. I said that I took a class in college about languages and got to create my own language in the final project. Oh, that's just patterns. Okay. There we go. I was gonna say, I thought. This one's stealth, which is down here, just over here. No, that one's. No. This one. This one's stealth. Yes. I didn't see. Okay, look right there. 1, 2, 3. Book of Curses. Over in the curses section, but that's just a hunch. Should I try and see if it's just one of those 3? Yes, it is. I stuck on. I don't know. I'll just jump over it then. See, look, there was this giant pile, and now this giant pile is gone. I mean, that doesn't really make sense, but there are a couple of things that I have already said don't make sense to me, so well, we'll just go there. Perhaps psychology or sociology? Of course, those are on opposite sides. Oh no, they aren't. Oh no, they are. I know how to read a map. We're fine. This one is philosophy. Which we'll try. Cool. I'll have to go back into my things and see if transfiguration. See if words. See if that was one that I had put in there. Maybe I should just try sociology for like the other ones. Magic. It's back here, right? Nope. Yes. Let's go back and see if we can goodness, is that what it was? Did I just not know? Oh wait, no, this one's philosophy. What did I just put there? It's metaphysics, philosophy, I guess. Okay. I'm sure you all have noticed, because I don't notice things. But like sometimes a lot of these books like have similar coloring. So like all like the dungeon ones kind of look a little purpley and nope. Anyway, so maybe that's what I should go off of, which I should have realized because I've literally seen like so many people run through this game. Maybe that one's psychology. Did I already try psychology? I don't know. I'm gonna go run around, see if this is psychology. I'll still have Oh. No, you probably all didn't hear that, but I just popped my neck and that didn't feel super great. Oh, and that one's another. Oh, those are both wonderful. Okay. There's that bone arrow again. I think things are getting easier for me to remember. Not all the time, obviously. one's a history one. So that one must be like Edgemont? Okay. That's an interesting spelling of that. Teachings of the great philosophers. Holy magic, which is down the stairs. is. Oh, this one. This one is Daily Magic. Okay, and dial back. Oh, that's not what I meant to. Oh, and I did it again. I'm real good at that, guys. Chronicles, Law Foundations, right there. You know what? Is this one barred? Am I a silly goose? Are these voice ones bards? Probably, because look at that. They look about the same. 10, 9, I should go back and find those ones. Oh, yep, there they are. Oh my goodness. This one's holy magic. One of these days, guys, I'll start making correct choices of things. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, it's number 4. Sorry guys, my fingers are going numb a little bit. And they had like this thing where you could, oh, sorry, where like it talks about a whole bunch of like newer music. I say newer because like some of it was like, wow, this song came out like last year. But anyway. Oh, and one of the things was from Zootopia 2, which Shakira also sang a song in. So, weapons. I should stop doing this because I literally just bragged about how I like don't need to do this anymore. And then here I am doing the same things over and over again. No, I don't know how to look. Isn't that a thing though? Gamers don't look up. This goes in sociology. Dude, I didn't ever take a sociology class. I took... What did I take? Did I take psychology and did that? Like fine, I would much rather take psychology than sociology. Like the I don't know if you guys know anything about like the play. There's like the people, and then there's like the fairies and stuff, and so I was one of the people. They're called rustics. This one's summoning. Where's necromancy? This one necromancy? No, that one's stealth. No! This one necromancy. Anyway, it was very interesting. Just gonna do this one. So, yeah, that's a little bit of class lore that nobody cares about. Dude, I was texting my mom earlier today. She was asking about someone who I knew in high school. And she was like, don't they work at this one place? And I was like, yeah. And then I was like, I don't remember their name though. And then like, they were talking, and then I was like giving her a whole bunch of other information while thinking out loud, and I literally info dumped on her about a whole bunch of stuff from this guy from high school that like I haven't talked to in probably like 4 years. And I was like, yeah, I think he got married to this girl, but he was dating this other girl before, you know, they all like graduated high school, and then she married someone else. And I was like, that was just a whole bunch of information that you need. So yeah, the things my brain remembers, remembering to like go get an oil change in my car or something. Nah, can't remember that one. Or like what order things should go in for like, I don't know, recipes and stuff. No, can't remember that. Remembering random crap about this guy that I didn't even go to high school with, but like was my age when we were like in to the same church. Yes, I remember whole bunches of things about him, because that's relevant. Labor studies. So this one I feel like could be management, or this could be sociology again. So let's try management. Nope, that one's math. Math. See, like, why did that take forever? Like, if it's not right, don't... Why did it take forever? This one. Wonderful. Philosophy. Lucky us, we're right next to philosophy, and I don't believe we put this one down here. We have not. Italy, DoorDash, shadow, I would love that, like, everyday magic stuff. Those are some other things that I forget a lot of. It's like, I forget that my laundry's in the washer. I think I washed the current load of laundry. Not that's in the washer, it's in the dryer today. Thank goodness. But I think I washed that load of laundry like 3 times. I need to... I have another thing of laundry that I took out. It's one of those ones that, like, it needs... no, that's illusion. It needs to air dry, and so I left it in the dryer and then, or in the washer, and then somebody else took it out. And I was like, thanks. So helpful. But I think I need to rewash it because I think it was in the dryer or washer for too long, and so I think I need to rewash that. So that's what I should do tomorrow. 250 bucks. This one person to bill correctly. Gnosis to leave a path. I have started that one. Yes. I do a lot of time math, but like algebra or like anything like that, nah. Magical theorist. Mystery? No, mystery. Gonna solve that mystery. What's your Scooby-Doo? Coming after you. What's your Scooby-Doo? You're welcome. Didn't think you'd hear that today, did you? person on the internet singing about Scooby-Doo. That was a good TV show, though. That's already up there. To be... It's not up there. Nope. Maybe I need to. I have one of those, like, wearable blanket things on, because I am streaming from my basement. And so it gets a little chilly, and I was a little chilly earlier today, but now that I have this on, I'm kind of warm, and so I pulled up the sleeves, but then I'm wondering if laying on that was making probably, that would make sense, but as we say, anything that makes sense to me doesn't always make sense to everyone else. Physically leaned forward to my screen to look at that. Okay. Look at this. This first kind of like little landing is almost done, except for this pile that it's probably going to keep growing. Living with monsters. That sounds like a monsterology book if I've ever heard of one. Oh, did I decide? Was this a summoning or was this a monsterology? Whew! Oh, excuse me. Oh. Interesting. I must have decided that it was a summoning because I don't see it right there. Where was summoning again? Guys, I'm losing my brain. I can't lose something I didn't have. I know I've already made that joke like 5 million times, but I'm gonna make it 5 million more. No, it's not. It's not. No, that's illusion. That's why. That's why. Here we are. Okay. Remember how I said they're all kind of like similar colors? Like, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's on the other side. Seriously. I like how I say stop like that, but I'm literally the one who's pressing the space bar. Like, can't figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Summoning. Yes. And then illusions. just look for big words. Alchemy. Because it's easier to look for big words. I was just thinking, and you know when I said I would like do better about like organizing them, like how they maybe should go. Why? It's not alchemy. In my next one, but try and do it the under 3 hours. That's so stupid. I shouldn't do that. I should just try and do like the under 3 hours thing while getting them all with all of the big magic, and then I can play another playthrough and like do like my perfect thing. You know what I'm saying? Like my perfect run through. That would make more sense. Illusion. Right here. Oh, I think this is a new series. Oh, look, another. This one for sure, I don't think. I like how I say for sure and then I don't think. I'm really good at contradicting myself. Arcane Core. Ow! I want that one so I can put it over here so I can have another one. Just like goes right there. That it's not all destruction, like not that it can't all be used as destruction. You know what I'm saying? Is this a sociology one? It's philosophy. But like I don't know. I don't know. I didn't make it. I think I said this last time, but like I'm not trying to be like this game is bad. No, I'm just trying to be like I think this would have made a little more sense in my mind if I had done this, or if it had been done this way. And not that everyone has to do the way things make sense in my mind, because obviously in my mind is a little bit different. I like to call it neurospicy. Take my opinion with a grain of salt. No one cares about my opinion. It's not a super great opinion anyway about anything. I know where this goes. No, social. It literally says social on there, so it's a sociology book. See? Like I said, I didn't take a sociology class, so I'm not super knowing about these things. Because, like, that wouldn't be a social book to me. That just doesn't really make sense. Oh, hey, look, another book that I don't know where it goes. Does this one go here? No. Does it say anything on it? This wouldn't be a math one. Wouldn't be that one. Wouldn't be a language. Wouldn't be a dungeon. Maybe here? No. it be a history? Wouldn't be a mystery, wouldn't be a jurisprudence. I don't think it's a psychology. This would have been a smarter idea. Just take this through and be like, does this go here? And then I could have... okay, I haven't seen it, but my dad likes to quote Invader Zim. And okay, that's a lie. I have seen a part of like, I've seen like a couple episodes from the first season of Invader Zim. But like, there's this thing, I don't remember. But it's like, what's this do? What's this do? What's this do? And that literally is what I feel like right now. What's this do? Is this an alchemy one? Is that why I'm... Ah! That's not what I wanted! No. No! It's a freaking transfiguration one? Oh my goodness. So sorry, guys. Is there more transfiguration ones? That's the counter curse, licensing, and regulation. Transfiguration. Anyway. Sorry. But yeah, I should have been doing that because then that would actually make sense. Archery, math, psychology, romance. Okay. So there's a couple of things that I can do downstairs. Psychology is on the side. I might go back and do that with all the books then. And then I can stop being sad about it. I should just go through. I feel so short. And like, I'm not short in real life. We looked it up because my coworker that like it's literally on the other side. That he subscribed to my channel. He's like 6'1", 6'2". And like I'm not that tall. But we looked it up because I'm 5'5", and we were like, how tall is the average woman in America? And it's like 5'3" or something. And so, although I am not a relatively tall person at work, I am not a short person. 1, 2, 3, 4. But this thing makes me feel short. I could probably do it in a way that would make me feel not as short, but I'm not going to because I like complaining too much. And if you all knew me in real life, you would be like, wow, yeah, you complain a lot. For no reason. I literally complain for no reason. Other than to complain and to be heard. Which is why I guess the internet's a good place for me to be because lots of people complain on the internet. So I don't feel quite as silly on the internet when I complain. All of you, dozens of you, can tell me that I'm wrong. Not to care about it because anyway. Welcome to my that's another thing we learned about English class is so like how has language changed over the years? That was one of those things, and the way the language. So I talked about so like my parents would say, okay, just, I think, something interesting that has changed throughout history with our language. What did I actually talk about? I think, what did I actually talk about? I don't remember what I actually talked about. Like it was an assignment that we had to talk about it discuss it in Canvas. That was so dumb. You know, when you had to do like make a discussion post and then you have to comment on 3 other people's discussions. And it's like, okay, so I understand like why you want it. Like you want us to be engaged, but also this is dumb. No one wants to do this. Where does this go? I'm now looking at colors instead of like actually doing what I said I was gonna do. Which was like go and I wonder if I should just do it with one book. I wonder if that would help me. I'm very stressed about like putting them down and taking them back up. So maybe I just go back and put them all down and then do that thing I was going to do. Because then Mastery of Mimicry. Wonderful. What was this one? Oh, more Transfiguration? What was it? Oh, I guess that makes sense. Go and pick up another book from the pile. Pick up that one. And let's do it all again. been rambling on for like 2 hours. I don't know. Maybe I'll stop talking. Sorry, that was a funny joke. I don't want to stop talking. Oh, okay, I guess that kind of makes sense, but like... I guess that's kind of otherworldly. I don't know. I feel like... Maybe I just don't understand. Which is fine. I understand that I am not necessarily like... I wasn't gonna say the intended audience because I feel like I am the intended audience. But like... not everything has to make sense to me. It's auto-saving and I like literally haven't done anything except for put a bunch of books on shelves and then take them back off because they don't go there. No, that's not what. Stop it. Stop it. I'm also not gonna put this one back there. I'm just gonna like those ones and the math ones I'm not gonna put there because I know that they aren't those ones. Just because those ones are so distinct looking. Because we're like kind of coming up towards the end of the... I put it in every single one. So that one's probably hard then, right? Why didn't it do the whole, like... That was a weird thing, right? Like it didn't turn the glowing red that it normally would, right? I'm not going crazy. Like, isn't it, if it's in the wrong spot, it's supposed to be like glowing red if it's like in like the wrong type of shelf or the wrong like number of shelf. That makes me irritated. Anyway, okay. Guess if that ever happens, oh my goodness, this one. If that ever happens though, again, I guess I'm just gonna look up like the different parts of the word or of the book title. I know words. I guess I should. Cool. What was this one? Art? Into works. Okay, okay, I guess. I don't know. Wording is weird. Syntax is strange. I'm also gonna clean up over there. That's what I'm gonna finish in this live stream. This one is Transfiguration, correct? Because the other Theranthropy or whatever was also in here, so we're just gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 assume that that one also goes there. Oh, what? Is there already one over here? Oh, is that literally it? Don't mind me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was like, oh yeah, Theranthropy, it's the same thing. Noda Fox. That was literally the book you were looking at. Goodness, guys. Is this one another other old one? Let's go check it out before I think I already checked it out, but I can check it out again. Shelves because I don't know if that's a glitch with that one book or if that was like a thing. That was just like a thing that happens now. I have to try them on all. Pretend like how there's like no reader magic on it. Yeah, I'm just gonna see. I suppose I had to have some kind of magic to be like a librarian at a magic school. You know? That would make sense. I'm not gonna try it on the math one, and I'm not gonna try it on the one down. Kind of looks like these books. What's this book? I think it's this one. That one's management. No, don't do it on the math. It's not a math book. When I'm done with these, I'm gonna start working on the stairs because it's kind of annoying to like climb over other books. Even though I'm like not actually climbing over them, but it's kind of dumb to be stuck on them sometimes. You know? I don't know why I'm trying them on the shelves that literally only carry 3. Because that's silly. It would obviously only go on a shelf that carries 5 or 10. Yeah. It goes somewhere over here. On summoning. Why am I like this? Like, I'm pretty sure I already tried it on summoning. I don't know why. just saying it was in the wrong spot. Don't mind me. You can tell that we're getting towards like the end of when I should stream apparently. I'm being irritated for no reason, and I'm complaining about it for no reason. Remember how I already said I do that? Again. Like, I swear to goodness I tried this on somebody. And I know that there's one already there, but I swear to goodness I did, and I don't know why I literally just Wait, did I say there was 6 of them or there? And why is the 16th? This is the one I was thinking language one because it's like the everyone's dwarvish or elvish or whatever. This one is just another language book. Heck yeah! Oh no, I suppose that's part of the challenge of this though, is that not everything makes the most sense. Oh my goodness, this is such a... I understand that they're trying to be funny, but also this is like gross. Is this another like stuff? This one I can see being like a psychology one. Nope, only stick this on the ones that have the ability to go up to 10 because it's low. Obviously it's 10 because it has 7 and there's no books that just have 7. Is it psychology? No, that's surprising. I could see this being a psychology. Wait. Ah! What am I on? Oh, okay, yeah. When I was taking psychology in college, we had to do this thing where we had to participate in like 3 studies that were being done by upperclassmen. I think for a couple of reasons. One of them being they probably just wanted an assignment that they didn't have to grade very hard. But also, I think they knew that if they didn't do that, they wouldn't. The people who like were doing these studies or whatever wouldn't have enough people participating in their studies. You know what I'm saying? So like they kind of not like fluffed up the numbers, but they're like, in order to make their research meaningful, they like forced other people to do it that wouldn't have done it otherwise. Anyway, why would that be an everyday spell? I would not use that. Like, oh, I guess if they were like trying to shut up a kid or something, or like, I don't know. Okay, magical items. That one is obviously artifacts, which is 1G. I'm gonna finish these up and then I will go, not to bed, but everyone's dwarvish. I will probably lay in bed and watch something. Actually, I'm gonna pick up 3 more to try and get to 310 so that my brain. I was gonna say the right one. I don't remember what it was. I don't know. I definitely understand what people were saying though at some point when they were like you really have to like build up a streaming like, I don't know, tolerance, I guess, because here I am. I think my last one was like an hour and 45 minutes or something, and I felt like I could have gone longer, but it was like I had to go to work the next day, and so I had to get off. Whereas like today I'm like, I can tell that I need to be done. Okay. Well, we didn't get quite as much progress done, mostly because I spent a lot of time complaining. Look, we've got this first little platform finished and all done. And I got all of the books off the bookshelf. I feel like now that I'm not like running around finding books to put in my pile, things will go a lot quicker. And now that I have a system for what I want to do for these books that I don't know where they go. Not that it will be quicker, but I think that I won't fill up the pile. Okay, well, thank you everyone for watching. I'm gonna find somebody to raid. Let me see who's, and let me stop recording as well. So goodbye everybody on YouTube. Hope you have a good day, good night, good whatever.